Richard from Aqua Essentials here on a very warm Tuesday here upstairs in our greenhouse. We're looking at nearly 28 degrees today, so it's as you can see from the tents, there's quite a lot of humidity, and I'm sweating a bit as well. So really an information video about plants and why they're looking so great at the moment. Now, this warm, almost tropical weather that we're having means that plants grow better than ever. They grow faster and they're stronger and their colours look better. So it's more like you'd find in the wild. Now, one of the plants that I wanted to share with you today is called Hemianthus cuba, and a lot of you will be familiar with this very well-known foreground plant. There we have it. So it's looking particularly nice at the moment, and it's quite a young plant as well. You can see it's probably got another week or so growing on before it's ready. But what this really means is that plants get from A to B much faster, B being the end consumer yourselves. So when you're buying plants from Aqua Essentials at the moment, you know that these plants are looking better than ever, so stronger than they are in the winter, for example. And that means in general you get bigger pots. Often with small leaf plants, the leaves are smaller and more compact. So if you're thinking about buying, now is a great time, particularly when it's 27, 28 degrees. Plants are looking absolutely superb. So that's it really. I just wanted to share some information with you about the warm weather, and you'll hear from me again on Friday. All the best.